This video could be a good reminder video about how lead gen actually works, whether you're talking about an agency or any other kind of business that deals with leads, which is about 66% of all businesses, and the other 33% are products. The entire lead generation funnel is one big cohesive system. They're not individual parts. So we have six main things that we need to worry about. We have the top of the funnel, the middle of the funnel, the bottom of the funnel, the website, the sales process, and the offers. And we cannot think of these things as six separate things, even though I just listed them off like that. They aren't six different pieces. They're all pieces of one big system. And if we don't think of it that way, we're not going to get the results that we're trying to get. So let's just list out some of the things. For the top of the funnel, the purpose is to drive traffic. There's four main ways to do that. We have paid ads, we have content, we have outreach, and we have partnerships. In the middle of the funnel, you're typically going to have a landing page with a form on it. If they opt into that, they're going to get a free lead magnet. They're going to be redirected to your thank you page where they can see some of your offers, and they'll start getting your email flows because they're going to be automatically added to those when they download the lead magnet. In the bottom of the funnel, there's a few different ways we can basically qualify the leads we're getting in the middle of the funnel and then push them further down to a call. We have digital products, we have webinars, we have live workshops, we have groups, we have newsletters, we have content, we have appointment setters, and then we have some sort of book a call, call to action type stuff. On our website, we need to have a VSL, we need to have testimonials, we need to have reviews, we need to have some free content, and I'm also going to consider search results as part of our website. When we're in Google and someone's searching us, we better show up for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, website, reviews, all that kind of stuff. And one of the best things to do is put your company name inside your LinkedIn profile, your Twitter profile, your YouTube. So mine would be Matthew Larson, 1000x leads. If we go to the sales process next, we have a few different parts. We have the pre-call flow, we have the sales presentation, we have the actual sales call, and then we have the follow-up. And then for our offers, because we need to have something for everyone, we have our intro offer, we have our recurring service, we have our digital product, our affiliate links, our referral fees, our course, and our program. So those are the types of things we need to have for our agency, and all of them are interconnected and part of one big system. So now that I've listed them all, let's go to the top. We have paid ads, we have content, we have outreach, and we have partnerships. If we think about it logically, these things work together just at the top of the funnel, not including anywhere else. So who do you think is going to be more likely to get a response for their outreach? Someone who has seen your paid ads, has seen your content and follows you and consumes it and knows some of your partners on your website, or someone who just receives your cold email and has never heard of you before? It's very obvious. The first one's going to get more responses. Who do you think is going to get a better cost per link click and a higher click-through rate for their paid ads? Someone who has a bare profile, or someone, if they click on your ad and see your profile, you have tons of content and tons of followers and all that kind of stuff? Of course, the profile with content. It's the exact same thing with every step of the funnel, where you need to have multiple paths to drive traffic down and multiple different options. And then that is what gets we'll call it a flywheel going for you. Who's going to do better? Someone who has one lead magnet that solves one problem, or someone who has 6 to 12 lead magnets with each solving a different problem in their niche? So if I had a YouTube agency, which YouTube agency is going to do better? The one who just has a guide on how to make thumbnails, or the one who has a guide on how to make thumbnails and then come up with ideas and scripts and how to edit and how to speak on camera and how to set up their camera and lights and how to set up their audio and how to read analytics? It's obvious. Multiple different conversion paths. Who's going to do a better job at qualifying leads and getting them to go further down the funnel? Someone who has no conversion mechanisms, no bottom of funnel, or someone who has a webinar they can sign up for, or weekly live workshops they can attend, or someone whose appointment setter is going to reach out to them, or someone who's going to send that 5 times per week newsletter and make those 5 times per week YouTube videos. It's obvious. And then who's going to have a better website? Those who just have a simple website that looks like everybody else's, or those who have a VSL, video testimonials, more free content, written testimonials, case studies, all that kind of stuff. And then who's going to make more money? Someone who just has their main recurring service, which 99% of the target market isn't a good fit for or can afford, or someone who has an irresistible intro offer where they can try you out, you can get your foot in the door and then upsell them later. Or if they can't afford that, you can send them to your course or your program or a digital product. Or if they don't need your service or they need some more stuff in addition to your service, you can refer them away and collect a fee. All of this stuff works together to make a very profitable agency or any B2B business. And a lot of people have maybe 5% of the things that I said above, if that. It's all how it works together. And it's better to have a 3 out of 10 in terms of quality of everything I just listed than 10 out of 10 quality for 5 of the things I listed and then not have the rest. Of course, it would be better to have 10 out of 10 quality for everything, but if you can do that, that's how you make a $1 million per month agency. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope it serves as a good recap of how everything works together, because a lot of people will come into our consulting programs or the people I do one-on-one consulting with and say, oh, I don't really think I need to do that. You need to do everything. That's what, people don't want you to believe. If you hear someone saying you should stick to one channel or do one thing and then, only do that and master that, they're either stupid or they're trying to sell you something. So I hope this was valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.